Hey, welcome everybody to our YouTube channel. This is Cris Entertains. Today I want to go over and show you guys the past giveaways we have done and showing you guys the Christmas PC that we are going to be giving away and telling you guys the date at the end of this video. With that being said, the way to enter into this giveaway is !raffle when you see us live or Junior Mercs 21 as well. For both of the links of our Twitch will be on the description below, as well as you can also enter in through YouTube when you catch us live. So one ticket, if you are only coming in through the YouTube, will be given to you, but if you come into Twitch, you'll get one. And if you're subscribed to us on Twitch, you actually get a total of 4 on my channel, as well as Junior Mercs 21 when you do subscribe to them too. We are also doing a toy drive, so if you donated into the toy drive, every toy donated into the toy drive will actually count for your entry as well, and it's uncapped. So if you donate a lot of toys to help us give back to the kids that we're going to be actually doing the toy drive for, that will be given to them as well. And the last way to enter will be every $10 you donate into the giveaway stream and the donation to the PC giveaway that will help us do another giveaway down the road. We'll be giving you every $10 one extra raffle ticket. And at the end of the video, we're going to be telling you guys the date when we're doing the giveaway stream.
Yeah, no love from me. Yeah, I can't show nobody fake love, cause I've been in my bag lately, getting cash, baby. So don't you act like you been here from day one. Graduated from a simp, turned into a big boss. Now she see me getting rich, cause I'm about to take off. Yeah, my life is like a movie, this is only take one. Yeah, and I ain't got no time for no one with fake love. Where the love go? I don't know, but I need something that's for real. She just want designer red bottoms in the hills, California. She just want the limelight, gold digger. She gon' see me when the time's right. Heard that little boy was try to play me. Heard he talking crazy, now he coming to congratulate the kid. I think it's funny how they try to hide the hate and be the first to smile up in your face and show you all this fake love. I can't stand the fake love. Where the love go? Where they go?
We're doing the hand out to the giveaway winner, and he's here. Let's go ahead and bring him in. Dave, our winner. You're ready to see what we have given him away. Here she is.
Dang, that's beautiful and white. So sick.
Yes, sir. To make sure that everything's good with the PC before he takes it home today, we're gonna make sure that he turns it on before he takes off.
Damn. Ain't she a beaut?
She is, bro.
Damn.
She's all yours. She's going home with you.
Everything. Dude, she's like an RGB machine. Look at this.
It is. It really, really is. giveaway date is this Sunday, December 12th. We are going to be doing the giveaway. Our time for the giveaway stream will be at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If anything does change on time, just because Junior Mercs 21 might have to work that day, we will go ahead and make sure that you check the comment section of this video to see if the date and time has changed. Most likely the date will still be the same, but the time might change. So be on the lookout of the comment section of this video to see if it changes. And I just want to thank you everybody so much for all the love that we've been getting throughout the year. We've been growing very, very good here at YouTube, and I just want to say thank you so much to everybody that watches our content on the YouTube Shorts, our main videos that we do once a week. And this one is going to be on a different date, but every Saturday that we post, it's every Saturday we do a video. So if you want to help us and support us, just click and like any video you see every Sunday from our channel. And then from Friday through Monday, we do post YouTube Shorts at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and regular videos at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thank you guys. You have a wonderful day.